guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a bag. Sewing bag. Here's the bag. I don't know what it is, so let's open it. We have the butterfly bag, the t-shirt bag. Where is it? A cupcake bag, a rocking chair bag, and the owl bag. So I think we get this one, the horse rocking chair bag. So let's see what is inside. Okay, here's the like the handle to the side. I think this is the side. I think this is the side. Here's the rope. This is the yarn. This is the yarn. Set aside. Here's a plastic needle, safe needle. I don't know what this does. I think it's a sticker. This is flower, glitter. This is like you gotta put in the horse and you ride it. Yeah. Here is the batish. It's only one. Only one. Only pink. Only one pink. Two batish. So I will show you how to make it. So we need the yarn. We need the yarn first. Here's the yarn and the plastic needle. This is sorry. The flower just fell off. We need the yarn. I need a scissor, mom. Scissor. No scissor. There's a scissor. This is a scissor. Now we need what? Oh. So the sticker we gotta put it here and like stick it to the unicorn like that. So let's do it. Let's do this up first. Like this, guys. Like this. Wow. This one. Like your grandma. I'm a grandma. I'm gonna show you. This is so hard, guys. Just wait a minute. Okay, we're back, guys. Sorry. This is so long. How much I have to take? For a whole day long. Oopsie daisies. What time is it? Oh, it's 30 seconds. So here, let's just sew this up first. This is that part, guys. I'm just. Sew this up. If you that's only a tape, guys. That's a tape. Mom, I need help. Can you sew this for me because it's so hard? It's so hard. And it's long, too. You know? Oh.
Remove this. It's wrong.
Huh? Each time. Wait. Just wait a minute, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm back. So, yes. I am wrong. My nose is itchy. Oh, nice, right? Then let's see this one. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, here it is. Set it aside. Okay, a little bit of confused. Oh, bubble. Oops, a daisy. Let's read, guys. Mom, where are you going? Okay, my mom is going and buy some food. Okay. It's great. Let's just tie this up. Okay. I have a friend who's going here, so I will introduce her to you. So guys, I have school today, so I need to get this fast as I could. My school is 48 now. It's 48 now. So it's going to be 50. Hmm? So this up. So, oh, play music. So, yeah, play music. Now let's do the other one. Here's the other one. So let's just like this. What time is it? Oh no. Just wait, guys. Sorry. Okay, it's 44. We need to like see this stuff. Let's do this. Play the music. So yeah. Okay, now let's tie this now. This way, I'll just tie this again. Okay, now let's. Okay, guys, here it is. Now let's top this one. Just a little bit of easy. Easy peasy. Look, it's a rocking chair. Come on. Let's put this now. This way. So this. And oops, it is so close, so close, so close. Okay, that's so close. Hey mom, mama gets yammer. Okay, now oopsie daisies. Now let's tie this up. Just go to the side. Okay, done. Now cut. Cut there, snip, 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 snip. Okay, now the last one after this, the sticker. Now we are done. This one, down, and boom, boom. Just wait, guys. Let's just like this. Pull out. Now let's just tie this up. No, it's not yours. We're sharing. You can't eat that one. Now let's snip it up. It's done, guys. So the yarn just here. Snip, snip. Now I gonna have one. Oh, here it is, the bag. Now let's get this one. But first we need this, so you can't play like that. So let's get the sticker. This is the sticker. Cut the sticker. Ready to use. So is this double-sided tape? Mom, is this double-sided tape? No. It is only double-sided tape, I think. Guys, I think this is double-sided tape. Yep, it's double-sided tape. So let's stick it here, like that. And then you gotta peel another one. Just wait. Okay, there it is. You're just gonna peel the white thing. If you see that like shiny thing, that's the tape. So let's just stick it. There you go, it's done. Now let's get the googly eyes. This has tape too. This is double-sided tape. You're just like gonna tape. Okay. Just wait, guys, because I'm gonna. Now let's put here. This is the instructions. The flower goes here. This has sticker too. It's double-sided tape. And here's the sticker. So let's stick this. So this way, I'll just gonna cut this one. Okay, cut that, put it there. Looks pretty. Another one though. Let's put here the rocking chair, and another one. Oh, there's the white. And the white will go here, and this last piece goes here. There it is, guys. Cute, right? Now let's stick it all. Let's just stick this up. Okay, now let's go to the back. Put this in the head. Let's see what it says. It's 12. It's 12. Just gonna like snap. Yes, my. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Okay, here let's put it in the body. Let's put it in the body. Another one, the last one. Let's just peel this first. Wait. I'm peeling it. It's so hard to peel because this is double-sided tape. Mom, can you take off the white thing because I can't take off the white thing. My mom's gonna help me. Yes, look. Yeah, but just wait a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's take off the doubles. Oh, here it is. That's a horse. This way. Just take off this one. Okay, one done. Two more to go. Just gotta fill this up. Just wait.
Sabuan.
Oh my goodness. This is hard to peel. Just wait. This is hard to peel. Stick. This is hard to peel. Perfect. Okay guys, my mom just helped me and let's put this here. Let's put this there. There. Okay, and then there. Like that guys. And let's just stick here the last one. Just wait, I'm sorry. It's hard. There you go. Let's put it here, then peel. Just wait guys. Just wait. This is hard guys, hard than yoga. That's one mom. This looks like a gum. Just wait, mom. Okay, let's stick this. Stick this. Hey. Stick that. Gum. Let's stick this. Okay. There's another one, so there. No chocolate. Let's just cut it. There you go. Here's the bag, guys. So cute. It's like you can put something like candy. Happy Halloween. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video and please subscribe, click the bell button, and share. Okay, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.